Hello guys, welcome to the Silent Infotech. Today I will demonstrate how you can integrate tap payment with the Odoo. For that, first of all go into the apps and search for tap payment integration and install that module. After successful installation, we have to do some configurations for the payments. For that, go inside the website in the configurations and payment acquirers. Here you can see Tap Payment Acquirer is added into the list. So select it and here we have to set the secret API key. So set your secret API key inside the configurations, set the journal. Here is the supported payment icons and countries in which you want to available. Here state test mode is used for the testing, enabled for the production mode. So save it and now go to the website. From the show, you can see the different products. Let's say I want to buy customizable desk. So I simply adding it into the cart and another product I want to buy. I want to buy a pedal bin. Just adding into the cart and click on process checkout. In the payment page, you can see Tap Payment Acquirer is added. So click on it and click on Pay Now. It will redirect you to the payment page. Inside the payment page, here is the different cards. Like example, if I'm selecting KWD, it will ask for the KNet card. Inside the BHD, here is the benefit card. In the USD, you can use the American Express card. In the SAR, there is a different cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express. In the EGP is a Fowry and in the OMR it is OmanNet. So let's say I'm go with the KNet and click on KNet. Here is the screen of card details will be open. You have to select your bank and simply enter your card details. After adding the card details, click on submit and confirm. It will start processing your payment and after the successful payment, it will redirect you back to the Odoo. Here you can see it will display like your payment has been processed and your sale order is 46. So from the print button you can download your receipt as well. So let's say if I want to see the created sale order of mine, that is S0046, in which there is the two items which I buy. There is one delivery also created and there is one invoice also created and it is in the paid state. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.